First, draw 2 circles, one slightly larger than the other. Next, you're going to need to draw the shape of your eye. For your third step, draw a reference line for both the eyelid above the eye and a circle for the iris. Make sure that your iris is tucked underneath your eyelid. 4, you're going to add the bottom lid of the eye. For your fifth step, you're going to want to use that inner circle to guide you in drawing the upper and lower planes of the eye itself. This will help us with shading later. For number 6, the outer circle is going to become the actual eyebrow, and you can follow that curve of that upper circle too. For your pupil, for step 7, try to place your pupil in the center of your iris. And for 8, we're going to add details, shading, and emphasizing those lines. And you do not need to worry about completing the shading for your project. I just wanted to add this to show how our original circles and guidelines can show us where to tuck shadows in and to add highlights. For your eyelashes, avoid the common mistake of drawing them flat. You want to show the curve of the eye and follow those curves of your eye when you draw those eyelashes in. To finish this, I'm going to add some tones, cut with contrasting blue and orange, and some highlights.